Hello, Rockstar Kindergartners. For your Science Center today, we're going to do our heavier or lighter activity. So you're going to get your heavier and lighter sheet. And then I put just a little bit of glue down on this side. I accidentally glued it down before I wasn't thinking. So you're going to glue down just a dot, not a lot, on the inside flap of our heavier and lighter activity sheet. Then you're also going to need a few items from around the house. We have a glue bottle, a ruler, scissors, a book, a potato, a shoe, erasers, and crayons. And of course, we need an apple. So we're going to compare these items to the weight of our apple. So heavier, if it's heavier, it's going to weigh more. Heavier, and then lighter. All right, friends. So if you do not have one of these items around the house, that's okay. You can get something that's about the same size. Okay, so if you don't have a potato, that's okay. Switch it and use something else. Now, I want to show you something. This is our scale. This is what we would be using in the classroom. I'm going to try to show you the best view of it that I can. Our scale. We would be using that in the classroom. At home, you can just use your hands to kind of feel the weight, okay, and compare. I am going to show you one with the scale just because I thought you would think it was cool. So I'm going to put my scale down, and I'm putting my apple on the scale, and then I'm putting my crayons on the other side. Guess what? It didn't come up. The apple weighs more than the crayons. I'm going to try to turn on the side so you can see. So see how, I'm going to turn it this way. My apple side is staying down. Excuse me, friends. And my crayon side went up. So when I put it on, the apple stayed down and the crayons went up. That means it's heavier. The apple is heavier than the crayons. The crayons are lighter than the apple. So the crayons were lighter. That side went up in the air. So I'm going to glue my crayons onto the side that says lighter. Okay, so we're comparing. If it's lighter than the apple, you're gluing it on our side that says lighter. If it's heavier than the apple, you're gluing it on the side that says heavier. Okay, friends, so next I'm doing my book compared to an apple. So I'm going to set a book on the scale. And do you see, I kind of wanted you to see how it moves up. So watch. The apple's down. Now watch, you can kind of see it. It goes up. So the book is heavier than the apple. The book is heavier. So I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to cut out my picture of the book, and I would glue the book under the side that says heavier. Now remember, I can feel just from feeling my apple and my book that the book is heavier. So you might not have a scale like this at home, and that's okay. I just wanted to show it to you because I thought you would think it was cool. You can just use your hands to compare. I can feel that the apple is lighter than the book. So the book is heavier. So the book is going to go on the side that says heavier. All right, my friends, I hope you have so much fun with this activity, and I will see you all soon.